Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Smooth Blue from Brawl Stars. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his bow tie, and I'm gonna draw the middle part with a rectangle shape right there. And from the side of that rectangular shape on the left at the upper corner, diagonal curve line out and slightly upwards. Mirror that same curve line at the lower point and a line downwards at the outer corner on the left. Inside of that shape on the right corner, a line across to the left at the upper corner, semicircle turn downwards, and a line across to the right. Mirror the whole thing on the right side. Above the bow tie, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curve line across, and I'm going to extend that curve line on the left side of the bow tie. Semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner on the left. Curve line out to the right, turn it downwards. Above that shape on the left corner, I'm going to draw the shape of his face with curve line upwards and flare it slightly out, turn it back inwards at the upper corner. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side of his head. Above that ending point, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape from the left corner of his head across all the way to the right and curl it back inwards on the right corner. And above that, at the side, a line upwards on both the left and right. Above that curve line, I'm going to draw a line upwards on the left corner, slightly to the right, semicircle turn diagonally to the middle point on the right, an arch curve line across, and mirror the same shape of the hat on the right side right here. Inside of that, I'm going to draw a curve line across at this lower point. Above that curve line on the right side, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards in the middle point, arch curve line to the right and downwards, arch curve line to the right, turn it downwards, and I'm gonna trace the same set of curve line again inside of that along the edges. Now for his face, I'm going to draw his eye on the left with a circular shape right there, and inside of that on the right corner, I'm going to draw an oval shape for his pupil and fill that in with black color. For his right eye, I'm going to draw an arch curve line off center to the right there, and I'm gonna thicken that line across. For his mouth, in the middle of his face, below the eye, a line across, turn it downwards at the sides, a U curve line across to the other side on the left, and curve line upwards to the left corner of the mouth. Inside of his mouth, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line for the tongue, and I'm gonna fill in the upper half of that with black color. Now on both of his cheek, on the left and right, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there, and another one on the right side. At the side of his bow tie, at the lower point, I'm gonna draw a curve line out to the left, right there. And at that ending point, I'm going to draw a diagonal line outwards to the left and slightly up. Turn it downwards at the inner corner on the right with a curve line. turn it outwards with curved line to the left, turn it diagonally up. And above that ending point, I'm going to draw a curved line across, curved line upwards at the inner corner on the right, turn it diagonally out to the left, and turn it downwards. Below that, a line across to the right, curved line downwards and to the right, curl it back out at the lower point to the left. Sharp turn back to the right at the upper corner with curved line, turn it back upwards and curl it back to the left at the upper corner. A line across to the right. At that ending point, I'm going to draw his thumb with curved line upwards and slightly to the right, arch curved line to the left, semicircle turn downwards, curved line across to the left, and an arch curved line outwards to the left. Turn it downwards. Below that ending point, I'm going to repeat the same shape of the finger with an arch curved line from the right corner to the left, curved line downwards. Copy the same shape again below that, and another one. At the side of the hand, curved line across to the right. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape at that corner. On the right side of that, a line across to the side of his arm. Below his left arm, I'm going to draw a line downwards, semicircle turn to the right. At the right side of his bow tie, I'm going to draw a line across to the right, semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner. And at that point, I'm going to draw a circular shape. And inside of that circular shape, from the edge above, I'm going to draw a spiral shape, circling to the middle point of that circle. Like that. And above that shape, I'm going to draw a line up on the right corner, turn it diagonally towards the bow tie. Below that circular shape, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the left, across to the left, turn it upwards towards his bow tie at the lower right corner. Below that circular shape on the right side, I'm going to draw a line downwards, continuing from the top, semicircle turn to the left at the lower point right here. And on the right side of the bow tie, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and slightly to the right, semicircle turn to the right, turn it upwards, diagonal turn to the left and upwards, turn it diagonally to the right and upwards. In the middle of that line, diagonal line upwards to the left, turn it to the right diagonally. In the middle of his suit, at the lower point, I'm going to draw a line across, and above that, I'm going to draw another line across. In between the two lines across, I'm going to draw off center, two curved lines downwards on both the left and right. Above that, I'm going to draw from the left corner of the suit a line upwards, semicircle turn to the middle point across with a line, semicircle turn back downwards on the right side right there. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a V shape in the middle point, arch it upwards at the side, turn it back downwards, semicircle turn downwards, and I'm going to mirror the same set of shape on the right side right here. At the ending point below, I'm going to draw a curved line across, semicircle turn downwards on both sides. Below the bow tie, I'm going to draw two lines downwards off center on both the left and right. Below his outfit, I'm going to draw a U curved line across from the left corner all the way back upwards on the right side. And for his pants, on the left, diagonal curve line out, turn it downwards, and arch curve line across to the right, turn it diagonally down, and curve line diagonally back upwards to the middle of his pants. Below the pants, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both sides, curve line across for the base of the shoe. Slightly above the base of the shoe, I'm gonna trace the same curve line across again at that corner. And above that, in the middle point below the pants, I'm gonna draw a small rectangular shape. And at the side of that, a diagonal curve line downwards to the side of his shoe on both the left and right. Above the shoe, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line upwards, curl it upwards to the lower point of his suit. And on the right side, I'm going to draw his right leg with curve line downwards for the outer corner. Arch curve line to the left. Curve line across to the inner line of the pants. Curve line upwards at the inner corner of the pants right there. Now for his shoe, on the right corner, diagonal curve line downwards and to the right. Curve line across to the left, turn it upwards. Slightly above the base of the shoe, I'm going to trace the same curve line across. Below the pants on the right, diagonal line downwards, across to the right. On the left side of that, curve line diagonally down to the base of the shoe. Above the shoe, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards, turn it slightly to the left, and curve line upwards to the lower point of his suit. For his right arm, diagonal line downwards on the right there, an arch curve line to the right, and at the ending point of that arch curve line on the left, turn it downwards, sideways to the right. On the right side of that, curve line across to the right. Turn it downwards at the ending point on the left, curve line across to the right. Below that, I'm going to draw a curve line down, sideways to the right. Above that, I'm going to draw another curve line across. On the right side of the thumb, I'm going to draw a curve line up, an arch curve line to the right, semicircle turn downwards, a U curve line across to the left and turn it back upwards. Below the hand, I'm going to draw a circular shape from the right corner, circling around his wrist right there, and another circular shape again on the lower left corner. Below the sleeve, I'm going to draw a curve line across to the left. And finally, I'm going to draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!